In this video, I'll show you how to create a circular reveal scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This transition reveals the next clip using a circular wipe, creating a clean and visually satisfying scene change. It works great for product reveals, countdown videos, cinematic edits, and dramatic story moments. Let's get started. First, place your two video clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for Radial Wipe, drag and drop it between your clips. Now, select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Roundness controls how circular the wipe shape looks. Increase the value for a perfect circle. Decrease it for a more oval shape. Center controls where the reveal starts. Move it to change the origin point of the radial wipe. Repeats controls how many radial wipes appear. Increase it for multiple repeating reveals. Decrease it for a single clean reveal. Wipe feather controls the softness of the circular edge. Increase it for smoother edges. Decrease it for a sharper reveal. Perspective controls the depth of the transition. Increase it for a more dimensional look. Decrease it for a flatter wipe. Stroke adds an outline around the wipe. Enable it if you want extra visual emphasis around the circular edge. Use a shorter duration for a fast, punchy reveal. Use a longer duration for a smoother, dramatic transition. For best results, keep your main subject near the center of the frame. And that's it. That's how you create a circular reveals scene transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.